Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Every time you ask a mainstream AI a question, you're basically handing over a piece of your brain to a server farm in some desert. And in 2026, privacy isn't just about deleting your history, it's about owning your intelligence. So today I'm going to show you how to get a private LLM running right here on Linux Mint. No account, no terms of service you didn't read, and zero data leaving your room. And I'm going to try and do this all in under 3 minutes. Let's get into it. Okay, so most people think you need a $10,000 server for this, and you don't. I'm running this on a laptop and it handles it like a champ. So we're going to be using Ollama because it's one file, it doesn't mess with your system dependencies, and it stays out of your way. So to do this, we're going to open up the terminal. And I will leave a link in the description down below for you to be able to copy and paste. So we will get the command and we will copy it and paste and hit enter. And then it'll ask you for your password. And now it's downloading. We'll give this a couple of minutes and I will bring you back once it's downloaded. Okay, so now we just need to pick a model. So if you've got a standard laptop, I would go with Llama 3.2 because it's smart, it's fast, and it won't melt your fans. If you've got a beast of a GPU, you can go bigger, but for most of us, this would be the sweet spot. So we are going to type Ollama and run Llama 3.2 and hit enter. And once this downloads, then we'll be good to go. So I'll bring you back in a moment. All right, so now we can test it out, and I'm going to disable my internet, and then I will type a question. May code a website. And as you can see, with no connection to the internet, everything's working fine. And if you think about what just happened, you took a tool that big tech wants to charge you €20 a month for and put it in your own pocket for free, basically. The first thing you should ask is something you'd never trust a cloud provider with, maybe an audit of your own local security or a private business idea. There's no safety layer here judging your prompts. It's just your machine and it trusts you. And there you have it. You've got your own private LLM. Anytime you want to run it, you just need to open up the terminal and you type Ollama, run Llama 3.2. The command will be down in the description below. And there you go. You're good to go, even without a connection to the internet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.